Good day, I'm Oscar from NEWINDU. We are going to ship the XCMG brand, the LW200KV 210 wheel loader in Shanghai Port today. I'm glad to show it to you all. The loader bucket capacity is 1.1 cubic meters. It has strong detailing force more than 58 kN and strong braking force. And the loader also can load in various kinds of materials. People-oriented design cabin ensures safety, creates an excellent operating environment for you, comfortable operation and driving safety. The machine has a longer wheelbase, 2,300 mm. It can adapt to all types of conditions, the leading industry in stability. Let us see the engine. It has a 66 kW Dongfanghong engine. The engine has strong power and the national 3 emissions. It can meet the continuous overload requirements during the construction processes and can fully provide power for heavy-duty operations. The machine is fast and efficient. The driving speed up to 28 km per hour, the industry best. International mainstream design, larger arc cab glass, streamlined hood and fender. It can be configured with hydraulic plate, ROPS and FOPS cabin, air conditioner and audio attic. Our construction machine supplier is based in China. If you need any machine, welcome to contact me. The best options is waiting for you. See you next time.